Claim, does this image really show SRH players praying to Jesus Christ? Fact check.
The claim is going viral on social media.
Social media users have shared an image claiming that it showcases the SRH squad praying to Jesus Christ before their match. Facebook user Cricket Updates shared such a post with the caption, "Preparation starts from within." Before taking the field at the Rajiv Gandhi Stadium, Ishan Kishan, Abhishek Sharma, and the SRH squad seek blessings. Attached to the post is an image claiming to show Captain Ishan Kishan, CEO Kavya Maran, and other players praying before a portrait of Lord Jesus Christ as a pre-match ritual. View the post here.
Fact check.
Truth. The claim is totally false. The image has been generated using AI and no such incident occurred. There has been no such documented real-life incident and there are no credible reports to prove it. Fact check details. Digit India decided to investigate this claim and found it to be false. The image appears to be AI generated and there is no evidence that such an incident ever took place. No credible reports or real-world documentation support the claim. The dugout area is cluttered unrealistically with gears fitted in cupboard-like structures that make no sense. The crucifix and the candle clearly look digitally inserted rather than naturally present in the scene. There is a clear spelling mistake where Sunrisers is misspelled as Sonrisers in the stands. View a screenshot of this mistake here. Moreover, Dream 11 is not a sponsor for SRH in this IPL 2026 season, yet the players are wearing their branding. According to the sponsor list released, the key partners of SRH are Cool, BKT Tires and Jio. View a screenshot of this here. The results proved that the image is likely to contain AI-generated or deepfake content. View the screenshot of the results here. Thus, the claim is false. Claim, image allegedly shows Sunrisers Hyderabad, SRH, squad praying to Jesus Christ before the match. Conclusion, the claim is totally false. The image has been generated using AI and no such incident occurred. There has been no such documented real-life incident and there are no credible reports to prove it. Rating, totally false. Thank you for visiting us. For more videos, subscribe to our channel, Digit India.